Hey, Yao's children, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Deep in the clouds where numbers play, the sneaky little fractions ran away. Beyond the sky, even in our clocks, can I see a fraction in my socks? Let's go find them, one by one, the fracks begun. Let's go find them, the fraction hunt has just begun. Fractions, fractions, where do you hide? In a cookie, a pie, or a slide? 1 out of 2 or 3 out of 4, let's sneak up and learn some more. We found 1, 2 inside a cake. 1 whole part gone, that's all it take. Then came 1/4 in a cream pie. Sharing 1 of 4 pieces, a dream of mine. Oh, mine. 2/3 was giggling in a tree. Sharing 2 parts happily. 3/4 was floating in the air, spinning in a circle fair and square. Fractions, fractions, don't be shy. We'll count the pieces and tell you why. Parts of a whole they love to share. They're hiding in math everywhere. A tricky one, it whispered low. 2/5 was hiding in the snow. And then came 5 8s in a box, dancing with numbers, wearing socks. The last one snuck beneath the gate, laughing loud, it was 7 till 8. We caught